fail because you don't know some secret hacks that super affiliates do. Copy and paste my complete system to bring your affiliate campaigns on steroids and generate non-stop commissions starting right now. Instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer and see boatload of cash flowing into your bank account. Product link in description. Convert your affiliate dashboard as below. Before. After. Meet our real-life beta testers. I've already started to get free traffic and generate commissions. I'm a newbie and I always seem to struggle with new methods because I'm not tech savvy, but this training changes everything. It really is newbie friendly like they say, and I've already started to get free traffic and made my first commissions with just a few minutes. I can't wait to see where this goes. Tracy Kodetic. I wish I would have had this years ago. Commission Fire is super easy to use, gets lots of info, and I was able to make money the first day I got it. Yep, we're talking real internet commissions. I wish I would have had this years ago. Awesome work guys, and keep up the hard work. John Kodetic. Thanks for inviting me to beta test. This has been a game changer for me, especially as I just lost my job. Money had dried up and I had run out of ideas, till I came across you guys. Now I've an alternative to work from home for an income, all thanks to this opportunity. Thank you. Product link in description. Michael F. Maybe your question is, if affiliate marketing is so easy, then why am I not making money? The answer is very simple. There are 4 big reasons for your failure. 1. Confusion. You do not know what works and what does not. 2. Limited info. Even if you know what works, you don't know how to do it right. 3. Wrong focus. You keep focusing on one thing, and ignore the rest. 4. Old school methods. The hacks you are trying to do are ancient. Yet, affiliate marketing remains the fastest and easiest way to profit online. You don't need a website. You don't need to create a product. You don't need a lot of technical knowledge. You don't have to spend a lot of money. But I hear you. You may be asking yourself this. If you keep doing the same thing while expecting different results, you're insane. My advice: listen. Times are changing very fast. You need to adapt to new technologies, and at the same time you need to have a proven system in place to succeed. It doesn't matter how hard you work, but how smart you work. Now is the time for you to turn the tables around in your favor. Now is the time to see tremendous results that will catapult your online commissions to the next level. Product link in description. Introducing. Commission Fire contains an incredible arsenal of technique that top affiliate marketers use to generate massive commission regardless of whatever you're promoting. It has everything to get you started from scratch to becoming a top affiliate marketer. Finally, you too can be the next affiliate rockstar and start cranking in massive paydays. And be the sought-after sales machine by vendors and the envy of your peers. Get Commission Fire at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $17 once and use forever. Seats gone soon. 86%. Use code MyCommissions to get $4 off now. Hurry, price rises again inch. Product link in description. Grab this special offer now before the price increases. Now you don't need any of that to do amazing online, thanks to very recent advances in artificial intelligence. Ones we've leveraged to the max with Neo Commissions. It's possible for anyone to skip the learning curve, leapfrog the competition, and jump directly to results. With no experience, tech skills or daily time commitment needed. Today you have choices. Making huge commissions and get financial freedom now. Or competing with others and being frustrated. topping the affiliate leaderboard, or seeing empty dashboards, knowing the secrets of top affiliates, or applying old school methods. See nothing. Spend time with family, or busy with working whole day. How would making money like the pros change things for you? Life on your terms? Early retirement? New hobbies? No more boss? Zero financial stress? More time with friends and family? This is the exact same proven process used by 7- and 8-figure marketers like. That's right, there are many mystery marketers you've never heard of, making millions a year using this exact process. Like simple? You'll love this. Absolutely no content creation. That's no blog posts, no ads, so sales pages, no videos. None of it. Absolutely no technical hassles. Your profit pages come market ready. Just press activate and they're live with no manual integrations required. Absolutely no maintenance required. This is our favorite part and it'll be yours too. Once live, your pages run on their own, without a maintenance required. You're just 3 steps away. Grab your copy. Just attend this free secret training. Enjoy the passive income. That's it. Just 3 steps from living a life of your dream. Get commission fire at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $17 once and use forever. Seats gone soon. 86%. Get instant access now. Use code MyCommissions to get $4 off now. Hurry, price rises again inch. Product link in description. Grab this special offer now before the price increases. The same system includes integrated free buyer traffic for super affiliate earning power. What you will learn: why affiliate marketing is the best way to earn commission. Learn the mindset of a super affiliate. Learn the greatest technique ever pulled off by the highest paid affiliate marketer. Uncover the myth of affiliate marketing and avoid the deadly mistake that most affiliate makes. Learn the criteria for choosing the best product to promote. Where you can get a juicy slide of million-dollar niches almost nobody knows about. How writing review article can seriously increase your conversion rate by many folds. The amazingly simple step-by-step process you can take to write a killer review. How to 3x your commission bonus technique. Types of killer bonuses you must know. Why you're just one technique away from tripling your commission. An unorthodox way to overtake everyone else and jump straight into the top affiliate leaderboard. Utilize an amazing secret that when used properly will result in avalanches of commission. The amazingly simple step you must take to avoid the most common mistake that most newbies make that results in zero sales. How to get other affiliate marketers busting their guts trying to promote your product. Several jealously guarded secrets that top affiliate marketers use. How to dominate social media and get tons of potential buyer to buy your products. The smart way to getting started within minutes, so you won't be scratching your head for days figuring out how things works. And much more. Just imagine your mail fooled with this. And when you open your dashboard you see this. Get commission fire at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $17 once and use forever. Seats gone soon. 86%. Get instant access now. Use code MyCommissions to get $4 off now. Hurry, price rises again inch. Product link in description. Grab this special offer now before the price increases. Also get following my